stacking all of my poppets on top of each other. As you can see, I have a lot of poppets, so just for a size comparison, I'm going to be stacking them against the door. Let's get started. Big poppets first. That's what it looks like so far. Time for the rest of the poppets. Squares, circles, hearts, octagons. Oh gosh. I got it to balance. Now we're on to animals. Oh my gosh. Please don't fall. So I had to rearrange some of the poppets, but so far we have this. The smaller poppets are going at the top. Mini poppets. And lastly, oh my goodness. This is how tall it is. It's so wobbly. Organizing the rest of my fidgets. This is what the first drawer looks like. I'm going to put my mochis inside of this container. Perfect. Now to put my mochi container inside of this second drawer. And the container does come with a lid, but I honestly like it better without the lid. And I'm going to be putting some random fidgets next to the mochis. So let's go do that. Wow, that took a long time, but it looks so good. Here's a quick tour of what I did. So I have pop tubes over here. And then back here I put cube-shaped and rectangular-shaped fidgets. Bike chains, pea poppers, spiky-shaped things, marble mesh, wacky tracks, tangles, gummy bear squishy, monkey noodles, and snake. And then back here is just fidgets that don't really fit in a category. I am so happy with how this turned out. Now moving on to the last drawer. The last drawer is going to be for all of my stress balls. Now that all my stress balls are done, the third drawer is finished. Here's the finished look. I love it so much. Hey guys, I have this really bad idea, but I'm going to do it anyways. I have a lot of mochis and I have unopened ones over here. Basically, I'm going to pick a few mochis to put randomly around my neighborhood, and I'm going to be keeping them there for one day to see what happens to them. These are the mochis I picked out, so now let's go outside. Now that I'm outside, let's hide the mochis. I'm going to put the first mochi in my yard, and this one's next to the tree. My house is over there, so I'm going to put the paw print mochi next to the street sign. Someone is definitely going to take this one, but I'm going to put it in this flower plant. There's so many bees outside right now, but I'm going to put this mochi next to the stop sign. There's 3 left, and I do not know where to put them. I'm just going to put this one in the grass. This one's going to get so dirty, but I'm going to put it next to the fire hydrant. This is my neighbor's yard, so I'm just going to put the starfish mochi in the rocks. Come back tomorrow to see what happens to the mochis. Bye! Hi guys, so I have 6 mini Neatos with me, and I've been getting comments saying that I should try sticking them onto the ceiling like globbles. So let's go do that, but first we need to wash them. I think this is enough water, so let's put in the Neatos. I'm also going to add some soap. Okay, so I think that's enough, so time to dry them. Oh my gosh, these are so much stickier. Okay, so let's test to see if it works. Oh, it works. Guys, oh my gosh. They not only look like globbles, but they also stick like globbles too. I would definitely recommend these as like a cheaper version of getting globbles. Fidget trading with my sister, squishy edition. We're going to have 5 seconds to grab as many squishies as we can, and those are the squishies we're going to trade with. Ready? 3, 2, 1. These are all the squishies she got, and these are all the ones I got.
I'm gonna start. What will you give me for this Galaxy Dinosaur squishy?
I'll give you this cat with some toothpaste on its head.
Deal.
Oh my gosh, yes. Trading Galaxy squishy pack.
OMG, yes. I'll give you these pastel squishies.
Yes.
Give me something for this pink banana.
I will give you this rainbow cake slice, this sheep squishy, and this unicorn popsicle.
You're a little under. Can you please add?
Okay, I'll add this green gummy bear squishy.
Yes.
This thing is huge.
Can I have that blue diamond for this huge strawberry?
Sure. Thank you guys so much for 600K. I don't know how to thank you guys enough. Y'all are literally the best. So in honor of 600K, I thought it would be fun to throw all of my mini Neatos and globbles at the ceiling. But first, we need to wash them. Okay, in they go. I know you couldn't tell on camera, but these were really dirty, so they definitely needed to be washed. Now to dry them. All done. These are so sticky. Now let's throw them at the ceiling. Oh my gosh. I've never tried this before, so let's try throwing them at the wall. Oh. Well, that was a fail.